Alright traders, in this short video I am going to walk you through on how you can choose the right type of market to trade. I trade different markets which are 5 in numbers: forex, crypto, commodity, stocks, and index markets. There are a lot more markets you can trade in the financial market, but I specialize on these 5 listed markets: forex, crypto, commodity, stocks, and index. What is forex? Forex is a global and decentralized market where currencies of countries are being exchanged in terms of one another, so they are being traded, right? And in this market, currencies are paired against one another. This is what we call pairs. And the foreign exchange market, we have 3 types of currency pairs. We have the major currency pairs, the minor currency pairs, and the exotic currency pairs. The major currency pairs are the currencies that are paired against the USD. The USD is the universal currency, right? So as you can see, we have the British pound sterling paired against the USD, which means the Great Britain pound sterling is paired against USD. We have Euro paired against the USD. That is, Euro is paired against USD. We have New Zealand USD. New Zealand is paired against USD. We have the USD paired against Swiss. USD is paired against Swiss. We have the Australian dollar paired against USD. We have the USD paired against JPY. And we have the USD paired against the Canadian dollars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are what? Major currency pairs. Right, and we have other ones which are minor currency pairs, such as the yen pairs here. All the currencies here are minor currency pairs. These are currencies that are paired against one another but does not involve USD. So we can see yen paired against a lot of currencies right here: Swiss yen, AUD, New Zealand yen, Canada yen, Euro yen, British pound sterling yen, all the way down to British pound sterling paired against Canada, paired against New Zealand, all the way to Swiss. Euro paired against GBP, Euro paired against New Zealand all the way down, and the AUD paired against Canada all the way down. We have New Zealand paired against Canada, Canada paired against Swiss. So these are the minor currency pairs. Now we have exotic currency pairs, right? These are less liquid currency pairs. Remember I told you any currency paired against USD are major currency pair. That does not mean all currencies, right? I mean the leading economy countries paired against USD. Leading economic countries are Japan, Canada, Australia, Switzerland, New Zealand, Britain, and Europe, right? So they are paired against USD. So apart from these 7 major currency pairs, any currency paired against the USD is an exotic currency pairs. USD paired against the Singaporean dollar, USD paired against the yuan. But I think China is now turning up now to be one of the top leading economy in the world. Soon, I think Chinese yuan is going to join the league. All right. We have the USD Singaporean dollar, and we can have other currency paired against exotic currency pairs like South African rand paired against the Chinese yuan. So those are exotic currency pairs. So if you want to trade foreign exchange or forex, these are the currencies you are going to be trading, right? You see that you trade the major, the minor, or the exotic. But I will advise you, my advice for you is to stick to major currency pairs because there is liquidity. When I say liquidity, it simply means money. It is easy to make money when trading in a major currency pairs. Some minors are liquid as well, like the yen currency pairs, right? Now let's talk about the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency market deals with digital assets. The only cryptocurrency we have is Bitcoin. You've heard about that. And you've heard about Ethereum. Ethereum is not cryptocurrency, it's alternative to coin. I think I have an article on that. You can check the description of this video if you want to learn more the difference between cryptocurrency, altcoins, meme coins, and cheat coins, right? So these are digital coins. They are paired against stable coin USDT. You can be paired against USD or any fiat currency. Right now, these are the cryptocurrency market. You can see them. They are in thousands. Right? They are more than currencies of nations, because every day there are more coins being issued to the market, and for now there isn't strong regulation. In fact, there isn't regulation. Let's hope in future there will be regulation to minimize all these coins coming out without any specific projects or value. Right now, that is that on cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency, where others are either alternative coins, meme coins, or shit coins. Now let's go to commodity. When you hear the word commodity, we are referring to mineral resources. Commodities can exist in two forms. It can exist as hard commodities or soft commodities. Right? Under the hard commodities we have US oil, that is crude oil. We have palladium, we have copper, we have platinum. Right? We have natural gas. Okay, we have gold, we have silver. Popular example is gold and silver, crude oil. Okay, so those are hard commodities. They are hard commodities because they are being mined from the soil. They are being processed or produced through vigorous procedures. Right? So that is why they are being called or classified under the hard commodities. And we have the soft commodities. These are animal produce or agricultural produce. For example, under the soft commodities we have the cocoa, cotton, coffee, sugar, wheat. These are agricultural produce. We have the animal produce like cattle, sheep. Right? So these are livestock. Okay, so that is commodities. Right? And the next we have the stock market. You should have heard about stock market. This is the market where shares of companies are being traded. So we have the likes of Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Dell, Meta, Amazon. Right? So these are shares of companies. You can gain ownership in this company as an investor, as a speculator. You can speculate. You can gain ownership rights through ordinary shares or preference shares. Right? So this is the stock market right here. And the last is index markets. So in the index market, these are financial instruments that tends to measure the performances of group of instruments. We have the Aussie 200, German 30, S&P 500, UK 100. So the S&P 500 monitors or tracks the performance of the top 500 companies in the United States. The UK 100 tracks the top 100 companies in United Kingdom. And we have the German 30 for 30 top companies in Germany. We have the Aussie 200 for the top 200 companies in Australia. We have lots more of them. So these are the five types of market I trade. There are lots more, but I specialize on 5. So this doesn't mean you as a beginner trader have to trade all these 5. You just have to choose one out of these 5. Once you've mastered one, then you can proceed further. You can diversify your portfolio. So as a beginner, stick to one out of this market. So if you are interested in the crypto, forex, stocks, commodity index, I know you now have more in-depth understanding what this market is all about. So I have a great news for you. If you want to trade any of these 5 markets, or if you want to trade all, I have a broker that can connect you to this market. So in the next or in the second part of this video, I am going to walk you through on how you can choose a reliable, transparent, honest brokerage platform. How you can register your account, verify your account, and start trading for living. Right? So this is the first class. This is the introductory to financial markets. Once again, forex, crypto, commodity, stocks, index. These are the 5 types of market I trade. Thank you. See you in the next one.